Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our physics class. Yes, dear students, in the last we have discussed about the average speed of a body. So, in the apart from behind the class, there are so many definitions are came. There are speed, uniform speed, non-uniform speed, and uniform velocity, non-uniform velocity, and the final it is the average speed that we also discussed in the next before class. Yes, in this video, in this class, I have discussed about that is instantaneous velocity and instantaneous speed. There is one is important terms about speed and velocity. That is instantaneous velocity and instantaneous speed. Dear students, there is a meaning instantaneous. Instantaneous, we are listening in a day-to-day life. Instantaneous. So, ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ವರ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಅದೇ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅದೇ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗೋದು. So that the changes of a instant of a particle, that is the instantaneous velocity and instantaneous speed. So now let us discuss about one by one. That is instantaneous velocity. So do you know already the meaning of velocity? Velocity is nothing but what? The rate of change of displacement per time. But this is the instantaneous. Let us discuss about that point. So instantaneous velocity. Okay. The rate of change of position of a body. The rate of change of position of a body at a particular instant of time. The rate of change of a position of a body at a particular time. Not every time. At a particular time. At a particular point on its path. This is known as a instantaneous velocity. Dear students, for example, an object moving in a road, an object or one vehicle moving in a road, it is moving in on an actual velocity, means one uniform velocity. And that time, velocity will be a change, means that the position of a body suddenly will change when at the instant of time. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಚಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಚಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಸಪೋಸ್ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲಿ ದ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಬಾಡಿ, ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪಾತ್. ಅದು ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಚಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ್ರ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟೇನಿಯಸ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? ಸೊ ನಾವು instantaneous velocity we will write as limitation, means delta t before that is 0, difference time is 0 before changing the velocity. So again that is we write as delta x by delta t, means change in velocity divided by an instant of time, that is we write it as dx by dt, means the rate of change of position of the body. Position means that the displacement, that is a distance x, and instant time, that is time t. Instant means at a particular time, ಆ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತು ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟೇನಿಯಸ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ. ಗಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್? ಸೊ ನೌ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟೇನಿಯಸ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟೇನಿಯಸ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ, but this is a instantaneous speed. So dear students, instantaneous speed is nothing but what? the distance traveled by a body in a particular time, right? This is you know. So now, but instantaneous speed. So that is, it is the speed of a moving particle. It is also speed of a moving particle at a particular instant of time. At a particular instant of time. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು particular time ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So this type of speed is an instantaneous speed. For example, first 0 second ಗೆ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಮೀಟರ್ per second ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So next 1 second ಗೆ means starting. The first 1 second there is a 10 meter per second. First 1 second is 10 meter per second ಗೆ ಹೋಯಿತು. The next instant of time, next 1 second means second ಗೆ 8 meter per second ಚಲಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗೆ ಅದರ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. That is we call it as it is the speed of a moving particle at a particular instant of time. This is we call it as what? Instantaneous speed. Okay, this is the how we call it as instantaneous speed. Okay, so now in this instantaneous speed and instantaneous velocity, the final concept that is what? Uniform motion and non-uniform motion also we also study. So apart from these definition, the last in that is uniform and non-uniform motion. So first is what? Uniform motion. Uniform motion. So uniform motion means what? A body moving in a straight line. A body moving in a straight line is defined as it covers equal distances in an equal interval of time. It covers equal distance in an equal interval of time. That type motion is called a uniform motion. Right here, a body is said to be in a uniform motion in a straight line. ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಸರಳ ರೇಖೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮೋಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಎ ಬಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ ಕವರ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್. ದಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮೋಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮೋಷನ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್. ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್. I repeat one or more times always. Okay, next is the non-uniform motion. The final is last one. What? Non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion means what? The non-uniform motion of a body. If a body moving in a straight line, but it does not cover a equal distance in a equal interval of time, that type of motion is called non-uniform motion. ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಒಂದು ಸರಳ ರೇಖೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಮೋಷನ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ನಾನ್ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮೋಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Dear students, clear this point? So this is a class about instantaneous speed and instantaneous velocity, and also we discuss about uniform motion and non-uniform motion, and also I told us some example for that. Clear? So in the next class we have discussed about for the next concept of this third lesson. Okay?